Welcome. Today I am with Samsung smartphone and I will show you how you can change volume buttons function. So simply how to control your volumes of ringtone or notifications instead of the media. So as you can see right now, when I tap on the volume down on volume up buttons, I can only change the volume media, right? To change it, you have to go for the settings, find sounds and vibration and go for volume. When we are here, we got the option use volume keys for media, so you have to tap on the switcher to disable this one and take a look. I'm going to set the ringtone on the maximum, and when I press the volume down button, right now I'm changing volume of my ringtone. Let's go back for the settings, take a look. As you can see, it changed. When I go back to this one and I make the same thing, take a look, the media sounds has changed. So if you want to control the volume of ringtone notifications or any system sound, you have to disable this switcher to use the volume keys for media. And you can make it on almost every Samsung smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.